find the arccosine of negative 1/2. When you have a problem that looks like this, you're asking the question, what angle has a cosine of negative 1/2? Well, the arccosine function is defined on a certain region, and that region it's defined on is only from 0 to pi. So restating this in that light, what you have is find the angle that has a cosine of negative 1/2 on the range from 0 to pi. Well, once you know that, having a cosine of negative 1/2 means its first component is negative 1/2. So we know the first component is negative 1/2. You go up from there, go negative 1/2 this way, positive square root of 3 over 2, and there is the point, negative 1/2 positive square root of 3 over 2. All we have to do is figure out the angle at this point, and the arccosine of negative 1/2, if you're expressing that angle in degrees, this is 90 plus 30, which is 120 degrees. Or if you want to express the arccosine of negative 1/2 in radians, you would be, if this is pi all the way around to here, this is 2/3 pi, so this will be 2 pi divided by 3. Again, arccosine of negative 1/2, 120 degrees expressed in degrees, or 2 pi over 3 expressed in radians.